Hey, good afternoon everyone. It's Darren with Madcap Toys. We are going to walk from the toy house, as we call it, because we've got toys everywhere in it, the Christmas cottage, and we're going over to the toy barn today, if I can talk, right? I always have that trouble for some reason. Mouth gets really dry. But we're going to be doing some stuff. We are taking, and I'll show you just a few things real quick, show you where we've been going from and what we've been getting accomplished here lately. The sun is nice and bright, and it is hot. Me and my son Jordan are relaying some gravel. Many of you guys realized a couple of years ago, last year maybe, we took and we got some pea gravel because we ran out of the regular gravel. It's towards the end of the year, and we need to touch up a little bit on the yard here in the driveway, so I could get a good interest into the toy barn during the winter time. But the company run out of the regular gravel. Now it's going to get dark, so forgive me for that, and it's because it's towards the later part of the year. And I understand that, so we may do with what we had, but I've got to get another load of mulch and probably about 4 more loads of gravel to finish out the job we've got going on, and to make the shed look nice and be able to walk into it, and people, if we turn around during the winter time, because it can get some bad weather up here, and we can get in and out without too many problems. And usually it's not Kathy and I, because we stay a lot on the concrete, but it's for the visitors that we have, our kids, etc., and so forth. But I'm going to show you what we've got going on and what we have done lately. Now, many of you guys know this is what we call the transformer shelves, and I'll give you a peek up there. And we got 5 shelves basically on this, and we pretty much work to fill out most of the shelf, top to bottom, side to side. And then you can see what we're doing. And this is going with our remodularization process, which we have quite a bit of room for records still right here. And we got some room still down on shelf 5, Transformers 5, and a little bit of room for action figures. And then of course we've got the other side, which I'll walk you over to. And you can see what we've got going on. Now, we've had a lot of sales as of late, but what is weird, and it's a little darker over here, guys, I don't have my lights set up in here on this yet, but what's going on is a little weird, because the sites we're selling on are not, sorry about that lighting situation, not our usual strong sites. Macari has been slow to know sometimes. I mean, we have sales on it, but the days will vary greatly. We'll have 3, 4, 5 sales, and then let me pull you back up here. We'll have a day or 2 sometimes with nothing, and you know, there's days we'll have one-offs even, so that's okay. And then Poshmark fires about every 2 to 3 days, and when they fire, some days we'll get 4 and 5 sales, very rare, but a lot of times we will get 1, 2, or 3. So they've been a little bit down on us as well right now, but that's not bad, because everything, our trail as far as the sales, seems to be continually going up, but the numbers are just weird. We did hit a rock bottom where we was down 0.9% on eBay on the main store, Madcap Toys. Kathy is down currently, as far as I know, on Madcap Toys Plus eBay store, down 9.8%. And so we've got a lot of reworking to do on that, but a lot of that problem is just basically the site is being repaired. You're getting breaks in the pages. You're seeing something go on all the time there. I don't know if they're slowing down the auctions or store sales. I don't know that, but it seems like since they've been pushing the live thing, everything has slowed down, at least for now, with the site sales. So let me know online if you guys are watching this, if you're seeing the same thing, you think so. In our community, we're seeing a lot of people griping about the same things, and guys, we're not doing a video about that to get views, clicks, etc., and so forth. I'm just telling you what, you know, I see on my end. So keep it in mind, because you're not alone if you're seeing the slowdown on eBay right now. And hopefully things will look up for us, but I'm going to show you a little bit more what we got going on. This is Ellie. I'll get you over here. This is Ellie Shelf 1. We've got it pretty much done and remodulated. I've got more stuff to add. So we're doing basically taking off, putting it on, re-skewing everything, remaking up, sure that all the shipping weights are good and ready to go and primed and accurate and going to cost our buyers as little as possible. We're also working currently on Ellie Shelf 2. I got to wipe down that shelf, Ellie Shelf 3. And we're going to be working on Ellie Shelf 4 and then Ellie 5 as well, which has a lot of records there, vinyls. So we're going to do that. I'll bring you over on this side to show you what's going on. We've got a lot of collectibles. We put some stuffed animals up there, Star Wars, and again some more cheeky poofs and smoothie mushrooms or mushies or whatever they call that, factory food. Okay, and we're putting comics on here, getting a spot for comics, getting some DVDs on here as well. And I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm trying to use, and I got a little space right here still to use, and trying to fill out and max out every section that we can so that we make our space and our dollar amounts work for us. And as we're doing this, we are seeing increased sales when eBay gets out of the way and when we're allowed to let people see our items. Now this is shelf 4 on Ellie. We have not got it done, and shelf 5 is still a mess as well. We haven't got it done. Let's get you over here again, give you just an idea. Okay, and you've seen this a little bit over there last time. And then of course we have sweeping to do because we're getting dust, and as I clean off the shelves we got to clean up that. We just got basically odds and end jobs to clean up as we go, and we're working to get stuff off of the floor. I'm going to show you what we've done. Many of you won't notice this as much, but since we've been working on remodulating the shelves, we used to have this out so stuffed it was unreal. But we've closed down 3 piles of comic books that need to go up instead of down. We've got rid of stuff that's on the floor that's going up instead of down again. And then let's go in here. You see we're still messed up over here. Working on that. Been selling a lot of the yarn. And you can see what's going on with our DVDs, CDs, comics, and all that. But also all this stuff has been going on. And this is what we're working on here. And our basic goal is to get from Transformers, or LE2 now, to working to LE3 of course, and then coming forward. And then our last section we're going to do, probably around the holidays if we can keep it moving like that, is just go across right here, get this stuff on the floor done, sweep it up, work on that, and then work on that back wall, which is all the way through there. But we got a lot of things that we're doing, a lot of things that need to be done and finished up. But this is where we got, when we got all those loads in for books and comics and all that, and records. That is what we've been working on as of late. Kathy is also selling a lot of these. We're running sales on those on another site. You want to check that out, you ladies that like flowers. We're selling a lot of these on Vinted. We've had in the last 2 days 13, I believe it is 13 to 19 sales, including all the sites. So we're still selling good. It's just eBay has been really slow. Big eBay slowdown. Now we had a good sell with Madcap Toys Plus today on eBay, but the main store has been very slow and hasn't fired off yet. It usually does sometime during the day, sometimes 2 or 3, 4 times at this time. But right now it's just not. It's not the main store that I want it to be. So eBay needs to get their hands off the site and let sellers who's paying for that time actually be seen. But guys, this is pretty much what's going on with us. I don't want to show you a whole lot, and I don't want to tell you a whole lot about the numbers right now because Kathy is wanting to tell you about that. Primarily it's dealing with Vinted and we are very thankful for the site. I know I've got some friends that's selling good on Facebook Marketplace, but eBay is supposed to be our main game. Everybody loves to sell on eBay because they're used to eBay, but eBay has some competition, so you know, everybody has to do what they've got to do. So that's what we are doing. And guys, good luck. Thank you for spending time with me today. And if you can, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment. I really appreciate it. I want you to see what we're doing as we do it through the toy barn today. But hey, you have a great, wonderful day, and I will see you all later. Goodbye. Bye-bye.